Now, most people who adapting, keeping a negative comment, now then go still at the end for the victim, they're going to find bloggers where they're going to ask questions. Most of my videos, I dey see some people that they keep some comments. They say, "Mon arrest for this matter, this, that." But the same people, now then go still they call, they ask 1 or 2 questions. You get what I want to explain give una. Make una listen to this particular video to the end. Then understand something. If you watch my screen, you'll see this lady where una dey see for here, because many of una don't know how 2 years documents take come about this special protection in particular. Now I'm gonna listen attentively. You see this lady called Larmoegese. Now be the current Minister dell'Interno of Italy. This lady one I see for here now. So she was born on the 11th of September 1953 in the city of Potenza. Now, this lady one I see for here, now make it be like say 2 years documents come day. Why? Because in the year 2020, as of October, now me come, he can say, in as far say humanitarian documents not there again. And then people, when they for Italy, most people don't integrate. How they want to get the 2 years document? Now he reform the whole decreto di sicurezza, bring back this special protection. Everybody can they get. And then as of now, we tell you, since 2020 to this date, majority of migrants across Italy have this document called special protection. It is hard before people go get asilo politic again. Now just this special protection, now majority get as of now. Now, why they make this video, I go let una know. Why? Because most people, they feel say maybe any platform where you see, they talk something, then you just believe. There is what they call categories of life. Get people when they specialize on things where be like say, they don't already know already. They just need to come tell you. Why some people they will be like say, they go just see waiting they fly. Because of saying waiting they trend, they go just enter inside, start to the talk. You see, many people don't they tell me say, Salvini no go fit do anything, they no go change any law. Relax, let me tell you. I know they make my videos to disturb anybody, but I dey do them to give out as an information so that people when go they interested and know what they come, they go know how it they be. Now, this lady when they call Larmoegese, most of una come the reason they ask whether Salvini go really take her position. Nobody don't know yet, but for 90% to 100, I go let you know say it is possible say this Salvini he go take the position of Larmoegese. The major story here be say whether Salvini go fit take the position of Larmoegese, because that position, now that place, the security decree day, now they in charge of migrants. Because for example, na man tell something. If this prime minister enter, Giorgia Meloni enter, then Larmoegese still there as the Minister dell'Interno. He go get rights to challenge him for something when concern immigrants, because now she be the Minister dell'Interno. For example, Roberto Speranza, the Minister of Health. Now what he wants, now he go do. You just need to inform the Prime Minister. They go talk for Parliament. So if, for example, now Giorgia Meloni enter this power, so as it be when he don't already win, then Larmoegese is still there for that place. Then, if, for example, he get what he want do to immigrants, he won't change anything. As Minister dell'Interno, the Larmoegese herself, she still get right to say no. Now me there in charge of these people. I don't like what he want put. But if, for example, now so Salvini take the position of that woman, they don't need to say they won't go ask anything. The two are the same. So it just be like say you bring kerosene, you come bring fuel, you put matches for inside. You not get anything where you go see na fire, now you go just see. So why they make this video? Now to let una know. Our videos what they make they give una, not be by threatening, not be just to make your mind fly. It happened before when humanitarian protection fed day. They can't remove that document, say you know they exist again. Up to today, people won't get humanitarian protection. You not get as they take get them back again. So you might be like say you they watch us, then they give you information. You still they run Piccolioni for the comment section. They say nothing they happen. Listen, now that same people go still come. They ask you question. They don't seize my documents. I put them for you, not agree come out. Waiting I'll feed do. Now make we they tell on give you information, make you for the know how it dey be. So no reason you see person will be like say you know for they talk about immigration, you don't even know anything when concerning Italian law relating to immigration aspect. You just carry phone they talk because of say he hear say Italian government get problem. Anybody when talk about and people won't listen, he go just come tell you say may you relax and nothing they happen. When something go start to happen, then you go to find who you want to ask question. So making this video now to let una know, make we just pray, make Salvini not enter the position of Larmoegese, because if immediately enter that place, not be say everything scatter be that, not be threats. At the end of the day, we go see how it be. We are there for the Italian territory. Bloggers day, we will give una information how it be. We will know how it be. So if they keep comments, make the reason first before you keep your comment. It's better to keep your mouth quiet than to come out, they comment something will be like say you don't even know how it come out. So I greet all the fans of Prince TV. Respect.